Japan's Taigei-class submarine is a real-life lithium-ion submarine and the U.S. Navy has nothing like it. August 23, 2026. Japan's Taigei-class diesel-electric attack submarine represents the latest evolution of the country's specialization in conventional undersea warfare. At roughly 84 meters long and displacing about 3,000 tons surfaced and 4,200 tons submerged, the submarine is designed for the narrow seas, straits, and choke points of the first island chain rather than long-range operations in the open Pacific. The Taigei's most important technological feature is its use of lithium-ion batteries instead of the Stirling Air-Independent Propulsion (AIP) system used on earlier Soryo-class submarines. Japan began this transition with the final Soryo boats, Oryu and Toryu. Lithium-ion batteries provide greater energy density, faster charging and better high-output performance than traditional lead-acid batteries. This gives the submarine greater flexibility to accelerate rapidly, evade torpedoes or reposition without quickly exhausting its battery reserves. The decision to abandon Stirling AIP also reduces machinery, weight, and complexity. However, the Taigei remains a diesel-electric submarine and must periodically snorkel to recharge. Lithium-ion batteries therefore do not eliminate the vulnerability of snorkeling, but they can reduce the frequency and duration of such operations. Stealth is the Taigei's central advantage. When operating on batteries, diesel-electric submarines are exceptionally quiet because they lack the continuously running machinery associated with nuclear propulsion. Japan has further enhanced this advantage through machinery isolation, acoustic reduction measures, and a floating floor structure designed to prevent vibrations from reaching the pressure hull and surrounding water. Acoustic absorbing materials also make the submarine harder to detect with active sonar. The Taigei's C-shaped stern control arrangement provides strong maneuverability, particularly valuable in the confined and relatively shallow waters for which the submarine was designed. Its objective is not to be completely undetectable, but to detect an adversary before being detected itself. To achieve this, the submarine carries Japan's ZQQ-8 sonar suite, incorporating bow, flank, and towed array sensors. The towed array is especially valuable because its hydrophones are positioned away from the submarine's own machinery and hydrodynamic noise, allowing it to listen more effectively across different frequencies and directions. Modern optronic masts further improve situational awareness. Instead of relying on a traditional optical periscope, cameras and electronic sensors collect imagery and other information that can be displayed throughout the submarine's combat information spaces. Geography gives the Taigei particular strategic value against China. Japan lies across China's maritime approaches to the Pacific, while the Ryukyu Islands create natural choke points. Rather than building submarines optimized to pursue Chinese fleets across the open ocean, Japan has developed a platform suited to lurking and ambushing in these narrow waters. The Taigei is therefore best understood as an underwater ambush and sea denial platform. It also demonstrates the strategic importance of Japan's growing defense capabilities to the United States. Japanese conventional submarines can provide local choke point defense, complementing U.S. Virginia-class nuclear attack submarines, which offer greater range and power projection. Together, the two capabilities represent a form of allied burden sharing. Japan can help deny access in the waters surrounding its territory, while U.S. nuclear submarines provide long-range offensive reach. The Taigei is thus not merely a Japanese submarine, but a platform specifically suited to the demands of a potential great power conflict in the Western Pacific. 1945 story by Harrison Cass.